Hi, my name is Steven and I'm from Hillbilly Tools, and I will check a new product from JCOOL today. It's a torque module, so let's open the package and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. Here we have a normal, kind of a screw tool. It's a L wrench. So then we have the bit set, coming with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bits. We have an adapter, it's also magnetic, like the L wrench. And then we have the torque module. So here you can see I can adjust the Newton meter by this little tool here. So that's it. Alright. Okay, let's see how it goes. So when I screw it up, you can see it here. Let's check it. Yeah, it moves up and I can see what I need to adjust. It goes backwards when I turn left. Yes. Okay. Let's fix something at the bike. Okay, so here we are at the bike. I want to adjust the handlebar. So I need 5 Newton meter here. So let's move this up. So now we have the 5. So I can put away this thing. So then I take the L wrench, snap in the small adapter here, have the big one here, and then it goes. I have to screw it up. Again. So now it clicks, and now I have tightened it up perfectly with this small tool, torque tool or torque module from JCOOL. So yeah, it's a very nice, very tiny product, and have fun with it.